Optical pumping. It is a process in which light is used to rise or pumping electron from a lower state level in an atom to a higher state level. Optical pumping is the process in which we use the light, external light, to move the electron from its lower energy level to the higher energy level. It is commonly used in the laser construction to pump the active laser medium so as to achieve population inversion. It will be used for the achieving the population inversion. Optical pumping is useful. Next, diagram of the optical pumping. Diagram is the one glass tube is used and two metal contact, and in between them the electrodes are used. Then what is the population inversion? Getting more number of atoms in excited state as compared to the lower energy level state is population inversion. That is, whenever we get the more atoms in an excited state, then the population inversion occurs. To achieve population inversion, atoms must be continuously promoted from the lower energy level to the higher energy level. Continuously promotion of an atom will be done in the population inversion. The process by which atoms are raised from the lower energy level to higher energy level is called as pumping. Rising of atom from the lower state to its higher energy level state is the pumping. Then we know that we have to see that optical pumping. When we make photon incident on an atom or lower energy level to excite them to its higher energy level is called as optical pumping. For movement of atom from lower state to the higher state, we have to use an external medium, that is external photon is incident. We have to incident a photon on that atom to move from the lower energy level to higher energy level. That is the optical pumping. This is the diagram of an optical pumping. This is E1 is the lower energy level and E2 is the higher energy level. The photon and these are the atoms. The photon is incident on this atom. That is, due to this incident, atom atom and the photon are collide and the energy is transferred. An atom is moved from E1 to E2, lower state to higher energy level state. Here light energy is utilized for excitation of the atom from lower to the higher energy level. Light energy is utilized because here we have to use photons. It is used in the solid state laser. Optical pumping is mostly used in the solid state laser. The next one is the electrical pumping. If we pass the current through the medium, the high speed electron may collide with the atoms and transfer their energy to atoms, and result is atoms goes from lower to higher energy level. This is the electrical pumping. See, when we pass the current through the medium of an electrical pumping, in that we have to pass some current, and that current have high speed electron, and that electron collide with the atoms which have to promote from lower energy level to higher energy level. Diagram of an electrical pumping. And E1 is the lower energy level state and E2 is the excited state of energy, and these are the atoms. In the lower energy level atoms, we have to pass a current through it, and high speed electron get collide with this atom and transfer their energy to atoms, and the result is atom from the lower energy level goes to the higher energy level. Here we utilizing the electrical energy for excitation of atom. Here we use the electrical energy, therefore this is called as the electrical pumping, and it is basically used in the gas laser.